Finding a perfect pair of earphones is more challenging than you think and can be a hectic process. They afford you a comfortable fit, crisp audio for media streaming and phone calls, and a hands-free experience to interact with your smartphone via a digital assistant. These come in handy for long sessions, when attending your long meetings, or attending their schools and colleges. So if you are looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Please take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Enjoy stunning audio quality using advanced technology with the Melomania 1 from Cambridge Audio. It connects with Bluetooth 5.0 technology, and this true wireless headset has a special connection with no drops in signal and a long reach with your device up to 90 feet. This earbud supports A2DP, AVR-CP, HSP, and HFP file formats. At only 4.6 grams each, and with a choice of silicone and memory foam earphone tips provided, it ensures excellent ear fit. It uses graphene-enhanced 5.8mm drivers that give a strength-to-weight ratio, which generates a dynamic and responsive performance. Both earbuds offer an IPX5 water resistance rating, tough enough to survive a sudden rain shower or a trip to the gym. Additionally, it supports voice assistants like Google Assistant and Siri. The BE Sport 4 wireless in-ear headphones from NuForce have been designed to provide exceptional audio quality for those with an active lifestyle. It features 6mm graphene-coated drivers and supports the AAC and aptX Bluetooth codecs for both Apple and Android devices. These headphones are constructed to last for up to 10 hours per charge and remain comfortable. Comfort comes in the form of a pair of spin-fit twin-blade ear tips, which also offer passive noise isolation thanks to deeper insertion into the ear canal. The inline remote on the cable is designed to let you control music playback, volume, and phone calls. It also enables you to interact with Siri and Google Assistant without you having to take your phone out of your pocket or purse. Further, with only 15 minutes of charging, you get 2 hours of listening time. The NuraLoop wireless Bluetooth earbuds come with an all-day battery that offers 16+ hours of wireless listening, and the 10-minute charge will give you 2 hours of playback. Put on the NuraLoop for the first time, and it automatically learns how you hear. Then press play, and it adapts the sound to match your hearing, bringing you closer to the music you love. After your NuraLoop measures your hearing, the Nura app creates a visual representation of how you hear. You can connect with Bluetooth on the go and plug in the detachable analog cable when in the air or performing with the NuraLoop as an in-ear monitor. Hear your surroundings with social mode or block out everything but your music with active noise cancellation. Choose when to hear the world and focus on your music with the Momentum True Wireless 2 noise-canceling in-ear headphones from Sennheiser. These headphones are crafted to provide natural, high-quality sound with 7mm dynamic drivers and a built-in equalizer that lets you personalize the sound to your tastes. When paired with a smartphone, you can also use it for hands-free calling and interacting with Google Assistant or Siri. Audio is streamed to the headphones via Bluetooth-compatible mobile devices, such as a smartphone or tablet. However you use them, you get up to 7 hours of power and an additional 21 hours via the included charging storage case. Engineered to provide you with complete audio freedom without distraction, WF-1000XM3 true wireless noise-canceling in-ear earphones from Sony incorporates sophisticated noise-canceling technologies. It utilizes forward and rear-facing microphones to take in distracting ambient sounds and noises. Thanks to DCHX technology, your compressed digital files are upscaled to get them close to high-resolution quality. Its audio is transmitted via Bluetooth from your nearby mobile device, and the built-in Bluetooth chip is designed to keep signals reliable and in sync. These earbuds are made to stay secure in your ears and can work all day long, with up to 8 hours of battery life and another 24 from the handy magnetic charging case. Added security is provided by a high-friction rubber surface that covers sections of both earbuds. The One More triple driver in-ear headphones are the world's first headphones to be THX certified for superior audio performance. Its triple driver design yields a frequency range that extends from 20 Hz out to 40 kHz, ensuring high-frequency detail integrity. It has an inline controller that provides a microphone for convenient calls, and 3 buttons for operations such as adjusting volume, selecting songs, and taking calls. The strong Kevlar core cable incorporates a braided lower section, an aluminum cable splitter, and a soft TPE upper section for a combination of durability, flexibility, and tangle resistance. Its right-angle 3.5mm TRRS mini plug maintains a low profile, and 9 pairs of included ear tips in various sizes ensure a proper fit and optimal noise isolation. Moreover, it has an integrated high-end MEMS microphone that delivers speech clarity devoid of distracting crosstalk and background static. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about any of the other products to review, make sure to check out Unbox Daily. Hit the like button to show your support and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one, folks. Have a great day.